Yes, sir. So today is another day, so it means another video. Today I'm gonna be working on this dirt bike. The motor was locked up, and yesterday I was messing around with it, and I freed it up. So now I feel like I just have to jump into it. I just came back from O'Reilly's. I'm talking AutoZone, and I bought me some new oil. Gonna do an oil change on it. Got me a spark plug. And like I said, the motor was locked up because it was in a flood. So I'm gonna drain the oil, take out the watery oil from it. I already cleaned the gas tank, and I need to take off the carburetor. I'm gonna clean it up. Shit, let me start right now. Might as well. So I'm gonna take off the carburetor, clean it, and put the spark plug in, put new gas in, and see if it turns on or if we get any reaction. I'm hoping that I can start I'm hoping that this fucking bike turns on today. If this thing does, or if it gives me some sort of reaction, like spark or something, oh man, I'm gonna be excited. It's gonna be a new summer toy. But with no further ado, all right, here's what the carburetor looks like. I'm sure it's fucking dirty, but what I'm gonna do is pop off these 3 screws, take it off. There's a little floater valve in there with the needle. Gotta make sure that's clean. I should have drained it, but I'm sure it has nothing in it. Been sitting there for a couple years. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the oil so that can start dripping while I like tear this apart. All that water, that's not good. Watered down oil. That can't be good for nobody. Ooh, that was bad. How does that look to you guys? Alright guys, so it's Monday, and today I'm in the white Toyota that I had fixed up, the Corolla, and today I'm gonna be taking it to go get tinted, cause yeah, we are fishbone in here. The rear tint is terrible, so we're going to Sammy Exclusive Tints. You already know he did my Blues Clues, and we're gonna come back even later and do another truck that I have, and just get all the vehicles right, because it's getting hot out here and the sun is fucking beaming. I'll put Sammy's info in the bio below. Man, he's really good. I'll show you all around whenever we get to the shop. Did the one in front have two too? So I had to stop working on the dirt bike because the carburetor was messed up. I ordered one on Amazon, but it's the wrong one. Still got it to work. I got it to turn on and it's running good, I guess. But it's the wrong one, so I reordered the right carburetor. But I looked around today and noticed that the shop is starting to get a little dirty. So I'm just gonna go around and organize and just pick up my mess. Don't want this to start getting out of control. Like, that shit shouldn't be there. Everything just needs to get organized, put back into place, clean this up, move the trucks, move the cars around. So for the next hour or two, I'm gonna be just picking up, and we'll see how it turns out whenever I'm done. See what I come up with, because I gotta put some cars in here and, just make it look good. All right, so I got the bike right now. I'm ready to start working on it. I'm gonna start off with just changing the carburetor. Okay, so now gonna be preparing the air filter. This is the clutch lever. But first, let's prepare the bike. Let's get this plastic covers taken off. Glad I cleaned it. Pretty dirty. Now let's go the air filter. Put on gloves because it gets a little oily. This is what I'm using, K&N air filter oil. That's how you want it. Make sure it gets all absorbed. That'll do. Nice and rolled up. Put that back on. Put this bad boy back together. Oh yeah, just like new again. Got this put in, perfect. We got a new spark plug. Just check the oil. That's what it looks like now after riding it for a day. Gonna put 93 in it. And I just ordered some grips. They'll be here tomorrow. Well, let's give this thing a rip. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what happened. So in the carburetor, this goes inside. the top here. This is for the throttle body. I mean for the throttle cable. The cable comes up, runs in here. What I did was, there's a slot to go in here and another slot that goes in the bottom. What I did was I put it backwards, so I had to switch it around, and hopefully it doesn't rev to the moon like that, and it idles, you know. So I just went on a test drive and I forgot I have some chain lubricant. I'm gonna go ahead and lubricate the chain and go for another ride, and I'll let y'all know how it is. So far I was turning it on wrong, and it was idling very high and it wouldn't stay on. Figured it out, the choke was in the wrong position, but I got it all greased up. A little bit of that is gonna get thrown off, slinged off. But when I get back, I'm gonna come and wash it. I'm gonna go put a couple miles on it, go fill up the tank, see if it's empty, and I don't know. See how it goes from here. Okay, so yesterday shit hit the fan. I had to go get a clutch gasket. Something's wrong with the clutch. It's not working right now too good. So yesterday I took it off already, the cover, and right now I just have it on, holding the clutch open so that all the clutch plates can release themselves if they can. But I'm gonna take it off and just show you what it looks like inside. So I just try to free everything up in here. The clutch plates, I ordered a new kit, so I'll have it soon. I'll be doing this again.